goodness. Woo! There we go. Oh, nice. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's just out on the bike. Might as well go up and down all these stairs. Whew. Oh, it's a lot more when you're up here. There's no run up at all. There's no run up. Oh my goodness. Woo! How's it going? It's super cold out. I think it's like less than 20 degrees today. So I layered up, so I'm pretty warm. This is proof that you can find spots to ride no matter where you are. This is a cool little ride right here, honestly. Nice little 3 stairs. I really need to learn how to fakie. Bruh, way too slow. I could jump on, ride this, and jump off. What am I even like thinking about? Yeah, I'm gonna send it. I clear. I can literally ride up. I wish I had somebody with me. Whenever you have like a homie with you, everything seems so much easier. There we go. Oh, nice. Good stuff, Joe. Now I want to do it again. Oh, stay on. Stay on. Yes. Nice. Stay on. Oh. Got the Hayabusa. I know it's cold. No, not. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Oh. That one is so much fatter. Ooh, landed front tire first. That was pretty rough. Not gonna lie. Whew. That's always fun. Local spots are easy. You can make a gap out of anything. Whew. This is a perfect little mani pad. Hop up, manual, hop off. If I can manual, but I can't. I gotta be going way fast, I think. Oh, I'm tired. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button, go check out my channels. Got more bike videos. And of course, I have a lot of motorcycle videos on there. Remember, Jesus loves you. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace.